everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. I am sharing you today the cute glimpse of my latest creation, that is this love scrapbook, which is completely handmade. This is decorated from scratch and all the cards inside the scrapbook are handmade and hand cut. And you are going to enjoy this very much just like me. And very soon I am coming with complete tutorial of this scrapbook along with each and every card in detail. So just keep an eye on my upcoming videos. Until that time, enjoy this complete glimpse or tour of the scrapbook.